I just want to fix everything, but I cannot because I don't have money. And the reason why I don't have money because I don't have capital to earn money, and I also don't have skills to earn money because skills need time and money to learn a skill, but I don't have both because if I will try to get a skill, then I used to have money, but I don't have. And if I earn money, if I will earn money by doing driving an auto rickshaw, so it would use my time. So if I get money, I have to give my time, and those money wouldn't be mine. It would be go on EMI because the auto rickshaw is on EMI. And after fulfilling the EMI, I might be earn those money who used to be mine. But I also use an iPhone, which I'm recording right now. It's iPhone 17 base model, which cost around 86,000. And I used to pay EMI 3,521 rupees for iPhone for 2 years. And I have paid almost 5 or 6 EMIs, 5 EMIs, and 19 left. And I have a personal loan of 60,000, which I have paid almost 7 EMI, but it's a personal loan which have 31% interest rate on per year. So I just real money 6,000 or 7,000 because I have still a loan of 55,000. So I have almost pay 70,000 personal loan with interest, and almost 70,000 for phone. So it would be 1 lakh 40,000 and 12 EMIs of e-rickshaw, which is 8,000 per month, and so 12 into 8,000, 1 lakh 8,000. 1 lakh 8,000 and 1 lakh 40,000. So 2 lakh 48,000 I have to, I 2 lakh 48,000 loans I have to pay. So in the pressure of all these EMIs and loans, whatever I earn, it goes in EMI. It almost 14,162 rupees monthly. So if I earn 500, it goes on in EMIs. And if I earn more than that, it will above than EMI, and still I had to earn for my recharge, mobile recharge, and for eating something, and for clothes, for maintaining myself. And so, how I can get a skill which would be more valuable for me? So, my mind says that you are busy for 1.5 year. You can't do anything, but still, I have bought an iPhone, so I'm creating reels on a daily basis, reel shorts, and I'm posting on YouTube and Insta and hoping that it went viral and I will get some follower and subscriber. So I will earn money, but it's not a good content, I think. So it doesn't pay off to me. And it also lowers my confidence when I'm driving auto rickshaw and talking about geopolitics or politics or anything else, because it gives so much rejection to me. Just like, भैया कहाँ जाओगे? लखनऊ जाऊंगा. Hearing that he's not only rejecting in a polite way, but he's rejecting as an insult. And after full day of insult, what I will teach to others? It breaks my moral and my values. But as people say that poor doesn't have any morals or values. So currently I don't have any morals or any values. And in between all of these things, I'm trying to figure out how to get rich. So I am hoping that I need a home because my parents are not supportive. They are supportive, but I did not show them that I can earn money by via computer, via phone. So they are not trusting me, and at the house I cannot do anything because it needs a personal room. You get an idea at 12 a.m. in a night, and you can't record a video because you don't have a light setup, you don't have a home, so you can't express your feeling as it comes. So I need a home and a, a studio, or at least a chair and a table, so I can sit and tell what I want to tell. And I need a laptop to research, a good laptop for video editing. So first thing I need a home, and in the home a office, at least a chair and a table and some lights. And second thing need is to improve myself, my body and my clothing style, which also need, for those also need some money. and I'm asking to the universe how I can fix it. Because I am 24 and at the age of 24 in my village, boys have used to have 3 to 4 kids. They get married at 17 or 18, and at the age of 24, they used to have children 3 or 4. Like I don't, eh? I also don't want that. But in return, they ask me when I get married. I said I need time, so I need home, office, and laptop and time, so I can get what I want.